Okay, everybody. So today we are going to discuss on the topic मोबाइल फोन शुड बी अलाउड इन कॉलेजेस, डिग्री कॉलेजेस। अग्री और डिसअग्री? आप इस बात से सहमत है, असहमत है? जो मोबाइल फोन है वो कॉलेजेस में अलाउ कर देना चाहिए, बच्चों के लिए, जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, उनके लिए अलाउ कर देना चाहिए। आप इस बात से सहमत हैं या असहमत है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? क्या आपको लगता है? आप अपने अपने पॉइंट्स रखेंगे एक एक करके, कुछ लोग फेवर करेंगे, कुछ अपोज करेंगे, ठीक है? सो स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग। वी हैव 20 मिनट्स टू डिस्कस ऑन दिस टॉपिक। इट विल बी डिबेट, ठीक है? तो वाद विवाद करिए आप लोग इसके ऊपर। चलिए, हु इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट?
Uh,
मनीषा। ओके मनीषा, प्लीज।
so, so mobile phone should not be allowed degree college because due to phone students are not able to concentrate in on their studies because he is missing on the mobile phone and does not attend on his classes.
ओके, वेरी नाइस पॉइंट।
Okay, I would like to oppose the Manisha. In degree college, we must allow the mobile phones because when the students came in the degree college, they are enough mature to concentrate themselves. There is no need to put any barrier for them that like mobile phone because they are enough mature to enough self. They know if they are not concentrating on study, there would be their loss. So I don't think so that this restriction will help the students to concentrate.
ओके किंजल, नाइस।
But
mobile should be allowed because crime is very increasing in our country. So due we can allow for safety
ओके
our children's
ओके
you know that.
ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड।
Yes
Mobile
sir.
phone
So
should be allowed in the colleges just because, just for the safety of students, right?
yes sir,
Okay,
their parents.
okay, okay. Lovely, I think you want to say something.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Lovely Kaur, and I think my share for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. And I would like to about discuss mobile phone should be allowed in college every education. But I believe that mobile phone should be banned in college. The mobile phone itself for a very useful tool. While talking notes or when you miss out class, you need to record stuff you can share it with your other classmates and they are in other activities. In case of very particular situation like that when you have an emergency situation, then getting back home and you have to travel for the college is really from your home. You need to be in contact with someone and everyone and need to be in contact with someone, maybe your parents and
Okay,
anyone for that. So I want to say mobile phone are really useful at that time.
okay, okay. In the case of emergency, people can, or students can contact anyone, right? And they can sort out the problems, right? Okay, Ritu, you would like to say something?
Uh, Sir, in my point of view, mobile phone is allowed only in colleges, not in school, because
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think she has been disconnected. Till then, anyone else can speak. Kinjal, you can continue.
Yes, according to me, mobile phones should be allowed in colleges because there is the first point that is most important. It provides the safety for our children, or we could say. And if we talk about the today's generation, there would be the always need of the e-content, and that could be provided only through the mobiles, right? So any teachers is there is it is not there will be not enough time to provide the hard copies to them, so it would be easier to provide the e-content. And one of the big advantage of mobile phone is that we can study anywhere with the help of mobile, right? If we have a e-content in the mobile. So this is my point.
Okay. Ritu, you were saying something, you got disconnected.
Yes, sir. Sir, you said that mobile phone is allowed in colleges, not in school, because
What is happening with Ritu? She is getting disconnected again and again. Ritu, I think there's some problem. You're getting disconnected again and again. Okay, okay, Kinjal, I would like to ask you if there's a disturbance happening in the classroom, means students are using mobile phones, then what is the solution of it?
Yes, sir.
Because everybody will be having mobile phone, and we cannot stop a student from using the mobile phones. They can play video games, they can listen music, they can misuse
Yeah.
it. So how this problem will be
Yeah,
sorted out?
we can make the some rules like that before entering the class. We should make some matlab outside the class some case type there, where the students can keep their mobiles and provide them the key. I mean to say locker. So this rule should be compulsory in on the college. Whenever the student enter in the class, they should have keep their mobile outside the class, and when they get outside the class, they can use the mobile phones.
You mean to say they will do it again and again? If there are 8 periods in their college,
Yeah.
then they will do it again and again. They'll keep their mobile and
Yes,
play
they can.
music out with the
Yes,
mobile.
yeah, if we go out from our
Don't you
room
feel so
and
it
then
will
we
be very
enter.
messy for college management?
In the starting it would be messy, but after that it would become habitual. If we go outside the room and we enter in the room, if we then always we wear out our slippers outside the rooms. Now it's not messy for us. Now it's become a habit for us. So it could be also happen like this.
Okay, and what about the discrimination which will happen because of mobile phone? Some people are bringing iPhone and others are not able to bring iPhone or expensive mobile phones. They are bringing only keypad mobiles. So it will create discrimination among these students.
Not only mobile phone is creating discrimination, then there are also any other factors which create the discrimination. And I don't think so that in the college students the student feel the discrimination. Discrimination only it occurs only till this school life. I don't think so in degree colleges student feel that much discrimination.
Okay. Okay, Ravindra, I would like to ask you one question. You were saying it is beneficial for the student safety, right? So,
Yes, sir.
Ravindra, there is a phone in the college also, office phone. So, if there is any emergency, students can call up from the office phone, or if they are there in the bus, so they can take the mobile from the conductor or driver. They can call up and they can sort out the emergency. So same question for the Lovely also. Lovely, you were also saying that it is for the student safety. So this emergency can be solved by other phones. Every college has office phone. Ravindra or Lovely, any one of you can oppose this point. Okay, you think till then I am asking I am asking Sujata ma'am to speak something. Ma'am, what do you think? Mobile phone should be allowed or not?
Sir, my point of view should be allowed in a college phone because sometimes students communicate well to parents, and some students live in a hostel. So
Okay.
everywhere parents not call in office phone. So that's why mobile is very should be allowed in college.
Okay. But the problem is that how will students study if they have mobile phones? Because in the mobile phone, you understand there are many features and they'll keep using them. They will keep chatting with each other. They will not use it for study purpose. This will be the problematic. As Manisha said that, Manisha, you were opposing this thing, right? Mobile phone should not be allowed because students will get disturbed, right, Manisha? Okay, Ritu could not speak anything due to disconnection. Ritu, now you would like to say anything? You are completely connected.
Sir, but the students communicate their teachers also with mobile. In
Okay.
emergency, they call the teachers.
Mm-hmm. But ma'am, I would like to know why students are going to college. They are going there to study. What is the use of mobile phone? As Kinjal said that it is used for study purpose, that nowadays we can share the data, we can share documents and some other things. But do you really feel so it is required? They are going there to understand something. They are not going there to just for sharing notes and other things. It can be done at home
But it
also.
also provides the safety for the students. Now, if something happens, you said that they could take the phone, they could use the phone of the conductor, driver, or the principal from the principal.
Hmm.
But when they have their personal phone, so
Hmm.
if for every time if they go somewhere, we can track their position, that where they are. So it
Hmm.
also help provide the safety every time. But if they use the other's phone, then it will not provide that safety.
Okay, Kinjal, then tell me what used to happen in the past when students did not have mobile phone. The emergencies were not there in the past. That time also we
Yes,
had
it
emergencies.
was. Yeah, it was there. But in the past, there was not that much crime that is happening today. In the past, peoples are good, but nowadays, due to the increasing competition and the people's become too greedy. So for to uh, negotiate them all the things, they perform the crimes. So there is a lot of difference between the from the earlier time and now.
But Kinjal, as I have observed, because I have visited many colleges, so I have observed that students keep taking selfies and they are just making TikTok and Moj. There's an application. They keep making kind of videos which are actually not helpful in studies and all in the education. So it is a total wastage of time.
Then no one can help them. There would be their loss, and no one can make understand them.
So
So
if
it's
the rule
their
is
own
made,
choice.
if
They
the rule is
Yeah.
made for made same for everyone, then it will be beneficial for everyone. They will
No,
not
it
be
will
using
not.
different
Then
things.
the rule, it will not. Rule will made for the college, and college it would be of maximum for the 6 hours. But what happen about the then what for the other hours? They will use more phone in the others hours. They will use that time, that 6 hours in the other time. So there would be not that much beneficial.
Okay. Now I want Siddhant to speak something. Siddhant Gupta, you also say something.
Yes, sir.
What do you feel that mobile phone should be allowed in colleges or not? As you are studying in school, so you can't say much about colleges because you have not experienced that. But even then, I would like to ask you that mobile phone should be allowed in colleges or not, degree colleges.
Sir, I don't know about that, but I think so that the mobile phone will not come in colleges.
Okay. What will be the loss if mobile phone is taken to the college?
Like that you have said that they make TikTok and these and all. They are in trend also now time. The apps are in trend.
Okay. So
So
you
the
mean to say students will remain busy in social networking all the time, right?
yes, sir. In
Okay. Now, Ritu, would you like to say something? Ritu?
sir,
Yes, Siddhant, you can continue, Siddhant.
but it's not compulsory to take the smartphones in the colleges. We can use keypad also
Yeah, exactly. It can be done.
for the emergency.
But this will be very problematic for the for those students who are very rich. They'll not be ready to use those mobile phones which are not which are very cheap and not expensive. They will not use them,
So they
right?
can make the gold cover also.
Oh, means they can modify the mobile phone by
Yes.
using the different cover. Okay. Okay, Ravin, you say something. I asked you the question. I asked you too, as well as Lovely.
No, sir.
There's no, there's no reply of that. Okay, so Kinjal, you have told me that mobile phone should be allowed in the colleges because it can be useful in study as well as in emergency. Apart from this, is there any other benefit? of
Yes,
mobile phone?
yes. In the form of entertainment, it provide the what happening. It provide the news that what happening in the world, and no one nowadays no one has the patience to watch the news. But from the mobile phone, through the help of social networking, in the form of memes and like this, we came to know that the what is going on in the world.
Kinjal, I have been little bit confused that students are
Yeah.
going to college for studying or for using mobile phone. I'm little bit confused by getting your points.
Yeah. No, I'm saying that in college they were while during the class they are not allowed to use the phone. But after the classes they are using the phone now their own choices that what they will do in the phone. They could use the social networking or they could make the TikTok, right? But there would be their loss. In where I do so think in the degree college students are mature enough and anywhere they know that what they are doing with their self, right? And at the time of result they get to know that what they had did. So according to me, mobile phone is not the that thing that it restricting mobile is not the solution.
Okay. But what about those students who are in first year? They are not quite mature. They have just come to the college, and the college is very new to them. They feel so. I have come in the college now. I'll enjoy my life. They start thinking like that. They do not become so much
They
mature. In the
they
last year,
fly.
they become
They
little bit mature.
yeah. In the starting they fly, but after some time they drop on the floor. Then
So
they get realized that what they have
when they
done.
are flying, they are getting mobile phone also. It means it is kind of icing
Yeah.
on the cake. So they will enjoy more. They'll be distracted
To
from their
learn
study.
something there is to learn something there is important to learn something. So it must be necessary. Otherwise, no one will get to know that what they are doing.
Okay. I was talking. You were talking about the emergency. So I would like to ask you, what type of emergencies are there with the students? So they should call their
Emergency
parents.
like if they if they are coming from their own vehicle and if get something in their vehicle they can call their parents, right? And at the in the college students they have a ego, right? And they that डराते हैं, I don't remember the words.
Scare.
uh, they scare their friends that they will beat them and they call their friends, and when the situation get worse at least they have some device to call the parents or to sum up that situation.
Okay, so you really feel so that students have gone to college and coming back, and on the way they are getting some emergency, and they'll call their parents. Parents will come, then the problem will be sorted out. The problem has
The
that much
problem
time
will
to
not
be
sort
solved
out.
out.
Yeah, the problem will not sort out, but yes it might not get that much worst.
But there are some other sources also. They can call the police. Police will come immediately. Parents will not be able to
But I
come at
don't
the
think so
same.
that police will come on time. I
And
don't think so.
they will also panic
India
while
police are
sitting at
not
home.
reliable.
Suppose that if they are not
But
able to
Indian,
come, they will panic.
yeah.
What happened to my child? They
Yeah,
will also get
yeah,
heart attack.
but what if they fighting with each other at a quite outward place? Then how they will take the other people phone to call the police?
No, if they
And
see,
usually students, yeah,
if college is far from home, then they'll be definitely using the transport of college, right? So I don't think so is there is any emergency, because there is a bus and many students, teachers and conductor, driver all are together, so they can sort out the problem very easily. If they are on their own vehicle, then I don't think so that college will be so much far. The college will be in their own city. So in cities you will not find these many problems. Okay, some problems are there, like bike is punctured, or petrol is finished, or these types of problems are there. These are not called the big emergencies.
but these emergencies sometimes becomes big, so there must be precautions about that. And okay, just let keep side this emergency and these all things, and students also need some entertainment, na? They got fed up from the long hours of classes and something like and these all things, teachers lectures and something, they also need something to freshen up their mind.
Okay, so you mean to
So
say that
there
they
must be
get bored.
necessary mental peace also. Yeah, we could
You're
say.
pointing out teachers, means teachers are not
No,
teaching
no,
well, they are not
no, no,
entertaining students.
no. It's not like that. I'm also teacher. No, it's not like that. But yes, we get fed up when we took the longer classes.
Okay, okay.